So living with cancer has just become something that I do, and I do every day with a lot of help, a lot of support. My name's Lisa Gora. I have stage 4 papillary thyroid cancer that I've been living with for the past 5 years.
She's the love of my life. I mean, she's an incredible partner. And when she got that diagnosis, it really scared me that I could lose her.
Hope Lodge was just, 5 minutes from Dana-Farber where I had the radiation. Quickly after week 2, I started to feel pretty crappy. And that's when Hope Lodge really became a really solid place for me to be, where I knew I was safe and comfortable. And it was somewhere where my husband had a support system.
So I could still take care of Lisa, maintain my job, and have clean clothes and have a place to eat every day. It gave you a little bit of semblance of balance in your life when everything else seems like it's going off the rails.
We are a program of the American Cancer Society. We basically provide free lodging for cancer patients. Hi, I'm Matt Bloom. I'm the senior manager of the Boston Hope Lodge. We are right near a train track, but also create some unwanted noise. We had old windows that were not opening very easily, and more importantly, were not closing very well. And so working with Renewal by Andersen has been really helpful.
It starts as a vision and it ends as something that's complete 2 years later. It's so awesome. I mean, the project's beautiful. My name is Carl Isaacs. I'm the general manager of Renewal by Andersen of Boston. That's the best part, that you know that you're making a difference, right, in people's lives. And to do that is, it's just a great feeling. We're changing the lives of people, and that's what makes it so special.
It's definitely much quieter in the rooms right now. They're certainly easier to open and close, and I think guests will be very happy.
The treatments that I'm on make me very hot. So the windows were something very, very important. All of the family, friends, former co-workers, folks at the ACS, they just lighten my days. That's what helped me and keeps me going.